ये भाई
आप नहीं छोड़िए।
बात हो रही है जहाँ पे सेलिब्रिटीज खुद नहीं जाते हैं, तो उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहिए, कैसे?
जब ये इस कार्यक्रम के बारे में रॉनी और जरीन ने मुझे बताया तो जया और हम एक्चुअली गए उनके साथ रायगढ़, जहाँ पर उनकी जो स्कीम है वो चल रही है, और अपनी आंखों से देखा और बहुत प्रसन्नता हुई, इसीलिए हम उसके साथ जुड़े हैं। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि बाकी जनता जो है देश की वो भी काम करेगी इस पर।
सर राइट, अर्जुन सर राइट, विद्या जी थोड़ा यहाँ पर
आई थिंक रॉनी और जरीना रूरल डेवलपमेंट के लिए बहुत काम करते आए हैं बहुत अरसे से, पर नाउ दे डूइंग इट ऑन अ बिग स्केल थ्रू स्वदेश फाउंडेशन। और मेरी तरफ से ये एक छोटा कंट्रीब्यूशन है, just not my presence, but I'm part of this program. I'm also hoping to get involved in their activities at some stage, क्योंकि बहुत कमिटमेंट के साथ वो ये काम कर रहे हैं, and their mission really is to empower, you know, about 1 million rural Indians within 5 years. I think if all of us are able to contribute in whatever way towards that cause, I think it will be excellent.
I just have to start with saying that I was amazed when I read about all that Swadesh has been doing. Ronnie and Zarina have been very, very dear friends of mine. I did a film with them, Metro. But even after that, we've always been in touch. And I have great respect for them. And that respect has only grown after I've seen the kind of work Swadesh has done. And the most touching cause for me was when I got to know, and it was a revelation, that women in villages don't have toilets. You know, it's not even a facility, it's a luxury for them. And it just costs a mere 20,000 rupees to give them a toilet in the premises of their home. So I really hope I can do something on that front, and I'd like to pledge something over there.
You'll be bidding the highest? Bye.
I'll definitely be doing something.
Fine, thank you so much.
यहाँ पे रूरल एम्पावरमेंट की बात की।
अपने आप को CSR का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर मानने लगी हूँ, क्योंकि इतने सारे अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ जुड़ने का मौका मिला है पिछले 4-5 सालों में। उनमें से एक है स्वदेश। स्वदेश of course is owned and run by Ronnie and Zarina Stuwala, who have done phenomenal work. Of course, as entrepreneurs they've done incredibly well. हम सब उन्हें UTV के एसोसिएशन से जानते हैं कि उन्होंने UTV
बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा। मैं सच कहूँ तो मेरी खुद की लाइफ में की जो जर्नी है, आई एम जस्ट स्टार्टिंग ऑफ इन लाइफ, सो इट्स टू लाउड द म्यूजिक।
अगर जो
all of us are dressed in Vikram Fadna's creation, and I think Vikram really knows how to bring that essence of Indianness, and I think he does a fantastic job when it comes to
Okay, since
it's no secret about my love for Vikram and his love for me. I think we've known each other too long, and I love his clothes. I love the person that he is, and well, I'm always glad that he always is part of causes which are really close to his heart, and I'm
क्या बोल रहे हैं मैम रुकिए हाँ जी मैम यहाँ पर
Very excited to be here. Zarina and Ronnie have been calling me for the past 2 years, and I have not been able to make it. And I'm so happy that I could come this year. And I told them that no matter what, shooting home, kuch bhi home, I will make sure that I'm there because it's for such a wonderful cause, such a beautiful cause, and whatever little that we can do, we're here.